ever imagined your life 5 years from now? Where you live, what you do, and who you are with?
Maybe you feel excited or maybe a little nervous.
The future can feel very big and sometimes a little unclear.
But it is also full of possibilities.
Today, we're going to talk about our future, our dreams, plans, daily life, and even our worries.
And while you listen, think about your own future too.
Because by the end of this conversation, you will be able to talk about your future in English more clearly and confidently. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English Conversations. I'm Sarah.
Hello everyone, I'm Alex. It's great to be here again.
Today's topic is something we all think about, the future.
Yes, sometimes it feels exciting and sometimes a little scary.
That's true, but today we will keep it simple and relaxed.
Just a friendly conversation, like two friends talking.
Before we start, let's ask you a question. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
You can think about your answer or say it out loud. Speaking out loud is a great way to practice English.
So, Alex, do you think a lot about your future?
Yes, I do. Not every day, but quite often.
When do you usually think about it?
Mostly at night, when everything is quiet.
That's interesting. Why at night?
Because there are no distractions. It's just me and my thoughts.
That makes sense.
I start asking myself questions. Where will I be? What will I be doing? Will I be happy?
Those are very important questions.
What about you? Do you think about the future often?
Yes, I do, especially when I feel unsure about something in my life,
Like what?
like my career or where I want to live. Right now, I live in a small apartment in the city.
Same here. It's comfortable, but not perfect.
Exactly. It's fine for now, but I don't want to live here forever.
So what kind of home do you want in the future?
I imagine a quiet place, maybe outside the city.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, I want less noise, more space, and maybe some nature around me.
That's a nice dream.
What about you?
I want a small house, not too big, but warm and comfortable.
Do you want a garden?
Yes, definitely. A small garden where I can relax.
What would you do in your garden?
Maybe drink coffee in the morning or read a book in the evening.
That sounds very calm. Your idea reminds me of something from my childhood.
Oh, really? What happened?
My grandparents had a small house with a garden.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, and every morning my grandmother would water the plants.
That's a nice routine.
One day I wanted to help her,
That's kind of you.
but I didn't know how much water to use.
Oh, no.
So I used a lot of water. Too much.
Let me guess. You flooded the garden?
Yes, completely.
That's funny.
I felt very bad, but my grandmother just smiled.
What did she say?
She said, plants need love, but not too much water.
That's a beautiful lesson. So, Sarah, what about your career?
Right now, I work in an office.
Do you enjoy it?
It's okay, but I want something different in the future.
What do you want?
I want to work online
Why online?
because I want more freedom.
Freedom means you can choose where and how you work.
Exactly. I want to travel and still have a job.
That's a great goal. What about you?
I work as a designer, and I like it.
That's nice.
But in the future, I want to start my own business.
That's exciting.
Yes, maybe a small creative studio.
I think that's perfect for you. By the way, if you're enjoying this conversation,
Don't forget to like the video.
it really helps our channel grow.
And it helps more people learn English.
This reminds me of something funny from my first job.
Oh, really? Tell me.
On my first day, I was very nervous.
That's normal.
I wanted to make a good impression.
Of course.
So I wrote an email to introduce myself,
That's a good idea.
but I made a mistake.
What happened?
I sent the email to the entire company,
Oh, no.
and the message was not finished.
What did it say?
It said, "Hello, I am Alex, and I..."
That's so funny.
Everyone replied, "Welcome, Alex."
That's actually very kind. Let's talk about family.
Okay.
Do you want a family in the future?
Yes, I think so. A small family.
Same here.
Do you want children?
Maybe 1 or 2.
I think 2 children will be nice.
And what about pets?
Oh, yes, I definitely want a dog.
What kind?
Maybe a golden retriever, friendly and calm.
I also want to travel more in the future.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe Japan, Italy, and some quiet places in nature.
Those are great choices.
I want to experience different cultures.
Travel can really change how you see the world. You know, I once had a strange dream.
Tell me.
I was living in a small house near the sea.
That sounds beautiful.
Yes, but I had 10 cats.
10 cats?
Yes, everywhere.
That's too many. What do you think your daily life will look like?
I imagine waking up early, around 7 a.m.,
That's a good habit.
then working for a few hours,
And after that?
maybe going for a walk or relaxing.
That sounds very balanced.
I hope I change one habit in the future.
What is it?
I sleep too late.
Same here.
I always say I will sleep early today.
And then?
I watch videos for 2 hours.
Ha, just one more video.
Becomes 5 videos.
Do you ever worry about the future?
Sometimes,
What kind of worries?
making the wrong decisions.
That's normal.
But I also feel excited.
Yes, the future is full of possibilities.
And even mistakes can help us grow.
Ow. Now it's your turn.
Pause the video for a moment.
And answer these questions out loud.
Where do you want to live?
What kind of life do you want?
Speaking helps your English improve faster.
So, Sarah, describe your future in one sentence.
I want a calm, happy life with freedom and meaningful experiences.
That's beautiful.
What about you?
I want a simple life with creativity, family, and peace.
So today, we talked about our future.
Our dreams, plans, and ideas.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video and say your answer out loud.
Then write it in the comments.
We read every comment.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this video with a friend.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Stay safe.
And keep practicing.